Good afternoon, respected faculty. My name is Roshan Modi, and my research partner is Krishna Pandya. Our research assignment for semester 2 is titled as Impact of Short Form Video Usage on Students' Academic Performance. We collected our own primary data from 207 students and used machine learning along with the statistical methods to analyze the results. We hope you find this insightful. The problem statement. The problem we are addressing is very relevant to students today. Like all students spend a lot of time on short form videos like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. It is still not clear understanding that how this impact their academic results. But in our studies, tries to answer, does short form video usage affect CGPA? And if yes, what factors influence this impact? So, in objectives, we had four clear objectives. First, to study the relationship between short-term usage and GPA. And second, to identify which specific behavioral factors affect performance. Third, to apply machine learning to predict GPA from behavior. And fourth, to understand whether attention loss, cognitive fatigue, or reduced study time is the main driver. Each objective maps to different analysis technique we used. In data and methodology, we collected primary data from 200 students using Google Form. We use 5-point Likert scale to measure behavior. We focus on five major factors: usage, behaviors, attention fragmentation, cognitive load, academic impact, and sleep and self-regulation. These qualitative responses were converted into numerical values for analysis. Then we applied techniques like correlation, clustering, statistical testing, and machine learning. Now,
We did clustering analysis using k-means clustering, which is used to identify patterns and group similar data points together on the basis of the characteristics they follow. To determine optimal number of clusters, we used ELBO method and it came out to be 3. Then it got categorized into low, moderate, and high usage clusters, where there was significant difference of GPA points across each cluster. To validate the claim that GPA across different cluster varies, we did ANOVA testing, one-way ANOVA testing, where our null hypothesis was there is no significant difference in GPA across different groups or clusters. Again, there is a difference in GPA in at least one group. Here the p-value came out to be 0.001, where our alpha was 0.05. So we rejected null hypothesis, claiming that there is a difference in GPA across groups. To validate that, and to check that between which clusters the mean are getting differentiated, we did Stucky's post hoc test. Here we came to find out that the GPA was different among each group and within every group. Then we applied one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA to check whether which factors are affecting. But mostly all the p-values came out to be greater than 0.05. So there was no impact of any such characteristics on the clusters. And then applied machine learning models such as regression and classification models. In regression, linear regression, random forest regressor, and support vector regression, we tried predicting GPA by the mean score that of a user provided to the model. And the best R2 score was for random forest regressor. And for classification, also, random forest classifier achieved the best accuracy, that is of 59% with parameters given as follow. Coming to conclusion, it concludes that higher short form video usage leads to lower academic performance. But here we do have certain limitations that the study is based on self-reported data, which may have bias. The sample size is also very limited and it shows correlation but not causation. There are various external factors affecting that. The references are as follow. Thank you.